Thank you very much. And also appreciate
Thank you. The Master of Ceremonies.
All right, thank you very much, sir. Please give me a round of applause. All right, I'm Mr. Champion. Mr. Champion, I'm a TV presenter. I'm also an author. I anchor events, and of course, I write books. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Ola Onobajo. I'm a presenter with Captain Television Station and Orison Television. I'm a musician. I'm an actor. I'm a caterer. I'm an event planner. I'm a social commentator.
Thank you.
I'm a marriage counselor.
Thank you.
So you said that you introduce myself, and I'm trying to do that.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for introduction part 1. So distinguished audience, get ready for our part 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you. You may take your seat. God bless you. Now, we all know what the media is. Radio, television, the print, newspapers, magazines. But all over the world, there is another media that has crept into the traditional media that we all know, and they call that one social media. Social media, 99.9% out of anyone's control. There's no regulatory body. There are no rules and regulations like the traditional media. A traditional media like the Star Trade International must have an owner or group of owners, a board of directors under the headship of a chairman or chairperson, then policies and regulations in-house, whether in Nigeria, Finland, United States, UK, or any part of the world, and we must accept this. Even the conventional international news agencies, CNN, Sky News, New York Times, Mirror, newspaper of UK, they have interests. Interest of the owners or government. In the United Kingdom, the Daily Mirror is known as a sympathizer of the Labour Party. They don't hide it. Many years ago, when I was a student in England, they didn't hide it. And I don't think they will change it until maybe they change it. Maybe tonight. The Sun newspaper is also a friend of the Conservative Party. Much as the CNN says it is independent, it is pro-American interest. But the difference between them and here is that, I'm sorry, please, if you don't speak or understand Yoruba, so please, you can ask, ask the person next to Kinyiwi or what's he saying. So, all right. I was told that there will be a challenger at this event. No, so what I was saying is this. Over there, here, there are interests. But over there, and when I say over there, please let us take United Kingdom as the standard example, because Britain was the colonial, I hate the word colonial master. Our forefathers were never conquered, so there can never be a master. They were just here for economic interest. The country we call Nigeria today, which did not exist until January 1, 1914, God did not create Nigeria. That's an illusion. That is affecting the country today. Nigeria is not a nation. Nigeria is a country of nations. Ijaw, Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa, Fulani, and all. So the best time now is the opportunity to wake from the dream of the past. But that is not the topic given to me. In presenting my topic, I must lay the foundation so that we can understand. Truth is better than lie. I'm not sure of it. I think we all know. So, when you wake up in Nigeria tomorrow, the Sunday newspaper will have sold out now or leftovers and returned to the companies. Tomorrow is Monday, 29th November. You will see headlines that are at variance. Ejo, Baba Iwe Ogun State, Ehida, Alhaji Ayelagbe, thank you. Baba Iwe Ogun State, in his own right, a social leader. I say, Ejoko, only that when you introduce yourself to me, and I said, sorry about the petrol tanker explosion in Abeokuta. He said the thing was under control. Social media, many deaths in Abeokuta tanker explosion, many deaths. There is no evidence, there is no video, no photograph. So, and social media is received, champion. How many minutes did you say you allowed to me?
15 minutes.
You are a liar.
It was 10, but we added 5.
You see Nigeria? Between ìgbà tó sọ fún mi yẹn àti ìgbà tó rí pé mo gbé microphone lọ́wọ́ sí, and we must respect our culture, tradition and culture. In Yoruba land, there is a saying, wọ́n ní wọ́n fìyàn jẹ oyè àwòdì. So èmi ò mọ bóyá o gbọ́ nǹkan tó ń sọ fún ẹ. Bá bẹ́ẹ̀ pé má wàá bá mi pé o wá ń kọ kíní kan pé kíní kan left. An assignment that was formally requested for, and I granted Sata the opportunity because we both worked in a place they call Sketch Publishing Company Limited, Ibadan, before it became Sketch Press, but today, unfortunately, off the street. So, I want to only time me, I want a distinguished audience. And I know this audience too, you are how to ease out a speaker tó bá ti bọ́ yín ẹ̀ kàn ra máa pàtẹ́wọ́ like a locomotion pẹ́ 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 tí wọ́n ní pé kò ṣe wá máa lọ. Ṣùgbọ́n if they don't say pẹ́ 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 by action or body language, mọ̀ wáyé o. Thank you. So but okay, àwọn yẹn wọ railway rí. So you came by a railway to Lagos. It now runs through Papa Alam to Ibadan, Omiadio. Is telling us, now let us look at it. Tomorrow, the newspaper will come out. I hope they are not going to follow the social media. Many deaths in Abeokuta tanker explosion. And we all know, as long as you have data, and your set is working, and the battery is okay, that news will have been read in all corners of the world. Now, let us imagine, not even an Egba person, somebody who has a relation or loved one in Abeokuta, now reading that many deaths in Abeokuta tanker explosion. Dinner. Let us imagine in Tokyo, he will have sent a message, sorry, I won't be able to attend the dinner anymore because concern anyway, how many dead? Who are the dead? Their ages, their sexes and all that. Just to be sure kò ní dé ibi tó ń léyàn sí. And that is the job of the media, to report the truth and as fast as possible. Please, I beg you, I thought because Sata got my biodata, which I think they will read. But let me give you my background. I studied journalism in London, College of Journalism, Fleet Street, 1976. Thank you. I started work at Sketch, 1973. When I returned to Nigeria, I joined NTV Ibadan, which they now call NTA Clinical Center. From there to Television Service of Oyo State. From there to Chief Bolaide as Press Secretary, and I served for governors of old Oyo State, 1983 to 1989. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Before crossing over to do investment as the Pioneer Public Affairs Manager, and retired voluntarily 6 years to the deadline as the Pioneer GM Corporate Affairs. That's my modest background in the media. Now, what do you see? The fancy stories. Nigerian reporters writing about events which he or she did not attend. But somebody has just phoned Francis Awole, stand up for recognition, please. Francis, thank you. Francis was introduced here as from the Corporate Affairs Department of Dangote Group. Francis was a reporter with Champion when I was in Odua. So when you came to greet me, you evoked nostalgia. Àwọn tó ń pè ní reporters làwọn eléyìí. When they got press releases, they will do a follow-up. One, to confirm. Two, if there have been developments since the press release was issued and released. But with all due respect to the media, when we say media, we must remember our seniors, like Aremo Olusegun Oshoba and the category. And to fẹ́ kọ sórí ọ̀la tó ń tẹ̀lé wọn sí mo sọ average. I'm not talking about the disciplined professional. I'm not talking about professionals. I'm talking about gbogbo ọmọ ya in the profession. And hello, nígbà kilo Abẹ́òkúta yẹn kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Ìyẹn náà tó ń dá lóhùn kò débẹ̀ o. Ó wà ní pátí kan ní ọ̀nà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ Benin Republic. A ní ọ̀rẹ́ kí ni yẹn gbóná gan? Ó gbóná. Mo ṣe contact àwọn colleagues wa and they said the firefighters and the army brigade, they are evacuating bodies. Why? Because ó fẹ́ fi sensation. Ṣé mo pé newspaper ní hard copy tó jẹ́ pé the vendor will dangle ní orí hold up ọlọ́mọdé àrí o. Many dead in Abeokuta explosion. Cover headline. And the reader is eager to move forward. Paper, just give me a copy. And you are going to read from the headline, the intros, middle of the story to the end. Last paragraph, I will continue. Nobody is dead. The one person they carried away from the scene who is now in hospital. So where are the many dead? Then an attempt is made to reach the editor. Your paper misled us. You said many dead. We just understand only one person is in the hospital and is receiving attention. Editor Anikwe, Sherry reporter, we are dealing with him. A good story later, we are dealing with him. And it ends there. If the NUJ, which is trying its best, and the Nigerian Guild of Editors, and the Newspaper Association of Nigeria, and all other regulatory bodies, the Ogun State House of Assembly Committee on Media, now talk of the House of Rep and Senate, if only they will want to man Sony is there you go, Joffin. Stop spreading fake news. Wọ́n tẹ̀sí ní àwọn tó máa ń review paper láàrin orí rédíò yẹn wọ́n ní ìròyìn ẹlẹ́jẹ̀. Kíntẹ̀ ẹlẹ́jẹ̀ danger. So it's high time the training institutions, the most famous or the earliest of them is down the road, NIG. In the early days, it was Unilag that had a department for mass communication, 6 months. Then it was overtaken by the University of Nigeria, Nsukka. I got the form for admission to Nsukka 1974. So, training institutions must, because you can't give what you don't have. the teachers, the lecturers must themselves be dyed in the wool. Those who have gone through the stages of formal education and training with the integrity. That's why today they say buy one Nigerian newspaper and you buy all. To read the same story. Some reporters are so lazy, they won't even change the headline of the one posted, syndicated to them by their colleague. Timolopo Yowani, Benin, Republic, to the party over it. Ó dẹ̀ report explosion of Abẹ́òkúta. In the days of satire in sketch, it was sweat, blood, and tears. Perhaps everybody knows satire specialized in entertainment news at sketch. And it's a reflection of what you see in the media outlets under his board. Because life should not be hard. The lady MC said here that Nigeria is tough. Nigeria attitude average is that a good Muslim, out of the 5 prayers, Baba Imam, with due respect, sir, ó yẹ kí Mùsùlùmí gidi kó ti kírun bóyá bíi mẹ́ta lónìí, sir, nínú márùn-ún. A good Christian, I'm talking of the àwọn tó ń tẹ̀lé Christ ni the Christians, those who are following Jesus Christ. I mean, so commercial Christian and pastor should have this morning and maybe evening service. I went to 7-day Adventist Primary School, Itashaku, Okefofo, 1958 to 1963. So àwọn 7-day Adventists, àwọn ò lọ church on Sunday. They go to church on Saturdays. That's why they say, remember the Sabbath and keep it holy. So àwọn gidi tó ń sin Ọlọ́run ní mo pè àtàwọn ìbílẹ̀. But the average Nigerian, sorry, I am an analyst on Space 90.1 FM, Thursdays, 10 a.m. to 12 noon. So when we analyze news, the call will come. Ẹ ṣeun ṣẹ́rí ètò yìí ọgbọ́n ńlá lẹ̀ ń kọ́ wa. Ṣẹ́wájú ládùúgbò tiwa, transformer wa kò ṣiṣẹ́, Ọlọ́run náà láàké pé. All right. Ó máa jù láti sky yẹn ó máa jù wá. He has given us the brain. Perhaps Nigeria is the most well-stocked country in the world with intellectualism. Àwọn tí wọ́n rí wọn pé whether they went to school or not, torí làákàyè. Emotional intelligence is different from exam ń bọ̀ lọ́la. Tomorrow, Monday, exam á bẹ̀rẹ̀. Àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n kàn wà ní institution yẹn, they didn't attend classes. Their purpose is not to catch education, knowledge, and obtain a good certificate, go for NYSC and be on your own or contribute to society. Tí wọ́n ní pé contract gbẹ̀ládùúgbò pé is a student of XYZ. Àwọn yẹn á béèrè pé ọdún kẹjọ is he reading medicine kò ka medicine kò lọ lecture alẹ́ iná máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ àlùtà because once they paste exam notice or timetable àlùtà ló máa sọ pé kọ́ máa ṣe àmàdàrú ni. No, àwọn yẹn kọ́. We are talking of the well-established, the conservative Nigerian lifestyle of people with intellect, hard work, vision, creativity. So, if it is Ọlọ́run lákèpè, how does the train appear on Roma, we call it Rome, platform? The next train comes in 15 minutes. Give it 12, 13 minutes, ẹ máa gbọ́ crack yẹn, the train is here. No, the body méjì sọ̀rùn. They are human beings like us. In most of the so-called advanced countries, tó ń bá máa jẹ́ ká dé backstage, it is populated by Nigerians tí a ti lé sọnù. I was reading the paper yesterday, wọ́n ní kíní kan 7,000 Nigerian medical doctors who are in Britain since 7,000. So this is, I think they've opened the gate. Qualified, take our test, take your family and come to UK. So ta ló fẹ́ dó síbí ASU, NASU, wàhálà mọ́tò petrol gas wàhálà wàhálà ká fi kó gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ̀ ọlọ́run má jẹ́ bọ́ sínú wàhálà and they will tell us it will soon be good. Baba Obi, he will be 80 by the grace of God next year April. When he was 70, I was the chairman of planning committee. Oh, Obi ti kọrin Nàìjíríà yìí sì máa dùn ó dá mi ló 1983. 83 to now is about 38 years ago. Nigeria sì máa dùn. But àwọn bàbá wa ń bẹ ní the bàbá Islam, bàbá tó ń ṣàdúrà Muslim, bóyá ẹ̀yin awo náà ẹ péjú ntẹ sáǹsọ fún wa náà ni pé ó sì máa dùn ó sì máa dáa kàṣà ní àgbẹ̀kẹ̀mí. So in rounding off, champion, are you afraid? You are not. Why am I the one reminding you of time off? Is that the media, for the media to perform the expected role, táwọn Nnamdi Azikiwe perform, Baba Obafemi Awolowo was inspired to become a reporter for Daily Times. Chief Samuel Ladoke Akintola, fantastic writer, he was a journalist. Anthony Enahoro, to move motion for independence when he was less than 30 journalists in their family. Ó tẹ̀lé pé iṣẹ́ náà wá ṣe ti wọn nìyẹn. Peter Pan, How to Be Nigerian, 1960, and others who have contributed, who sent away the colonialists through intellectualism. They shook the British with their brains. Some of the people who went to England earlier before we went, but experienced our Nele, my colleague in school. He was on night duty, security. Ìyẹn ni iṣẹ́ tó dájú, òun ló ń pè nígbà tá a wà ń bẹ̀ in the 70s. One, you will be in a hall of people. Ṣé wọ́n ti dé winter scene that will be heated. So you carry your books, you will do your own work and study. So you are gaining because instead tó fi máa sùn sílẹ̀ o ti sùn sóbì kan, o dẹ̀ ti ṣiṣẹ́ o ti kàwé, o tún gbá ọyẹ́ o gbá ooru sára. By the grace of God, Fridays wọ́n san salary, o gba owó o lọ. So twice the supervisor went to the particular àwọn yẹn máa ń go round. Ló bá ẹni tó ń kàwé lọ́wọ́ ó ti sùn. So the supervisor now carry some of the textbooks. Ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé gèǹjẹ́ lèèyàn fi ń ṣiṣẹ́ ńgbà yẹn? Wàá máa jẹ́ Nwachukwu Ọládélé. Orúkọ tó máa fi gba certificate to work because you are not entitled to work is stamped on your passport and visa. You should not resort to any money kíní kan kọ́ sí ara kíní ẹ̀ tán bá gbàyàn mú ilé ni. So you get something by proof. Orúkọ ẹ̀. So now when the supervisor comes out tó ń pe John, àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ àbára ilé tán wà bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n máa gbé níjọ́ ló tún di John ọ̀nà oúnjẹ ni. So the supervisor now came and said, let me warn you for the last time. Tell your friend not to come to disturb you at work. Ó wá kó textbook àti notebook tẹ̀lé lẹ́ni kọjá àdé pé who is this? Ìyẹn náà yẹ pé kó má bínú, my friend comes to keep me company. Friend kọ́ òun ni o, but kò wọ́dọ̀ sọ pé òun ni. Torí ìyẹn á wò pé you ó wà ń school ṣá. But that's how most of them survive. And they used their God-given talent to show the British way out of this country that our no, we could govern ourselves. But today, the most common escape remark in this country is ẹjọ́ ẹ má bínú. Okada rider is riding one way, he has broken the side mirror, Toro ṣe ó face traffic, and in no time the motley crowd will gather. Ẹjọ́ ẹ má bínú. Then somebody kò tán mọ́ lawbreaker yẹn o, a kàn jáde láàrin àwọn crowd yẹn ni pé kí ló dé? Wọ́n dẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ látàrọ ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń ṣe bí ọlọ́run sọ́lọ́run ní ní wọ́n ní ẹ má bínú. Ariwo aṣọ. Unless àti doctor, lawyer, accountant, trader, farmer, all of us, unless we change our ways to the conservative, law-abiding eras of àwọn bàbá that got independence, and ran Nigeria, the regions, particularly Western region, that was leading in all positive force in this country. First television, disregard the fact that the first University of Ibadan, 1948, think of WNTV, Saturday, 31st October 1959, the first African commercial radio station, Western Nigeria Broadcasting Service, under Premier Akintola, 1960. Then go to Cocoa House, Liberty Stadium, now they've changed it to over Premier Awolowo Stadium, Housing Estate, Industrial Park, Industrial Estate, Ikeja Industrial Estate, and many others. What do we have? I'm managing the region, state governments now carry caps in hand to the Federation Account Meeting monthly. Our share, nobody's thinking of how to bake the cake, but how to share it. So the press cannot be isolated from the rot. But you got to continue on the personal integrity. What do you hear? Our boys in law. Emma Law. Thank you very much for your audience.